Today we're going to be talking about adjectives. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify adjectives and the nouns they describe. A word that describes a noun or a pronoun is called an adjective. Let's see if we can find the describing words or the adjectives in this sentence. One enormous hippo swam in deep water. One and enormous both tell us about the hippo. Deep describes the water. So one, enormous, and deep are all adjectives. Some adjectives tell what kind. Spotted fawns were resting. Spotted tells us what kind of fawns. They looked peaceful. Peaceful is an adjective describing how they looked. Other adjectives tell us how many. 3 monkeys played instruments. Several monkeys played instruments. So adjectives can tell what kind or how many. You can find adjectives in different places within a sentence. Sometimes they come before the noun they are describing. Powerful lions stared boldly at us. Powerful is an adjective describing lions. It comes before the noun it's describing. Other adjectives are found after the linking verb. So in this case, giraffe seemed gentle and shy. Seem is a linking verb. Gentle and shy are both adjectives describing what kind of giraffes. When you have 2 or more adjectives, you should use a comma to separate them. Large, colorful parrots screeched. Large and colorful are both adjectives describing what kind of parrots. So we should separate these adjectives with a comma. Large, comma, colorful parrots screeched. There is an exception to this, however. When one of the adjectives tells you how many, you do not use a comma. 2 white geese honked loudly. So we have 2 adjectives together, 2 and white. Both of them, 2 tells us how many geese, white tells us what kind of geese. So we have 2 adjectives, but because one tells how many, we're not going to put a comma, we're just going to leave them alone. See if you can find some of the adjectives in these sentences.